This is Mrs. Bowers, and I'm here to give you your directions for Tuesday, March 31st for period 4. The first thing that you're going to do is open up your agenda, which is what we're looking at. This week I will be available if you want a one-on-one or small group Zoom. So that's kind of like FaceTime. If you guys are interested in that, just shoot me an email and I can set up a time with you and send you an invite. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is watch the video that is linked in here, which I'm doing right now. Then you are going to go into Shobi and do some capitalization practice. So when you go into your Shobi, you're going to see something labeled capitalization practice. And you are going to click on that, and then you will see directions saying you need to complete the capitalization worksheet attached, and it's worth 20 points. So you're going to click on it, and you can do two things. You can download it into Notability and use the tool that way, or you can use the annotation tools here in Shobi, and that's going to let you write directly onto these slides. So the first thing you're going to do is circle the words in the following sentences that need a capital letter, and there are 25. Once you are finished with that one, you're going to go to the second one, and you're going to write the following sentences correctly. You can either cross out the letters you think are capitalized and write it above, or you can completely rewrite all 5 sentences the correct way. The next one, you're going to put an X if the sentence is capitalized incorrectly, and a C for correct if it's correct. And then the last slide, you're going to circle all the words that need to be capitalized. There's 25. And when you're done with that, that will be worth 20 points, and you are completing that in Shobi. The next thing that you're going to do is read and listen chapter 3 of Lord of the Flies. So go ahead and pull out your book and read along. You can read it by yourself, or you can listen to our friend read it to you. It's a shorter chapter. Either way, I want you guys to make sure you are actually reading the book, even if you are using the audio version as well. Then you're going to go ahead and hit this next video for you to kind of get a summary, but in addition, some analysis and some things that are being pointed out. You have to make sure that you do both the reading and the summary, because if you do one or the other, you're going to miss a couple of things. And then the last thing that you're going to do is head back to Shobi, and you're going to find your chapter 3 response. Today, I'm going to have you copy and paste this into your comments and answer. You're going to tell me 5 things that you learned from this chapter. So what were the 5 most important things, the things that stood out to you specifically from chapter 3? Just remember, this has to be worked on by yourself, not with anybody else, and make sure that it's something that you learned from reading it and listening to it, and not something you're finding on the internet, because I have plagiarism checkers that are telling me if it's not original thoughts from you. All right, so once you're done with that, you're going to be done for Tuesday, and you'll be doing your capitalization worksheet worth 20 points and Lord of the Flies chapter 3 worth 10 points. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions or you need any help. I will talk to you later.